Hi, everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, good night. Namaste. And I was just thinking, are you living your life in the fullest? Good question, right? Because whenever we ask ourselves that, we may find the answer, we may find not, we may find, am I happy now? Or am I healthy now? There is a lot of answers that can come into your mind, that can just cross, because usually we don't question ourselves. And why we don't do that? Another thing, why don't I question myself about it? Things. I do. And I want you to do that because in the moment that you started to doing that, you're gonna find things that you never thought about it. And this is priceless. At least that's the word that I gave it. For me, it's achievement of, okay, I don't know the answer right now, but I'm looking for the answer, you know, because what it's been blocking me or avoiding me to look for the answer or the answers. So I invite you. Wow. I'm just in here doing this video for you guys, and then somebody just throw something in the trash. Very rude, but it's okay. And okay, let's get back to the focus. So yeah, question yourself about that and let me know what is the answers that may cross your mind. Let me know, Amanda, I didn't find no answers, and I'm gonna tell you that is an opportunity for you to start it. Let's start it right over there. Let me know about your thought, and I will be glad to read it, all of them, and to share my ideas with you, my experience with you guys, because this is the more important thing that we can do in this world. It is to share information, it is to share knowledge, it is to share wisdom. And we doing that, our day is going to be even more better, even more lighter. So I invite you to ask yourself, am I living my life to the fullest? Bye. Have a good day or good night.